Okay, welcome back again to the class. Today, I want to talk about another aspect of plugin that we need. You know, we have talked about what plugin is all about, how it affects your site. Now, there is an aspect of plugin that is very important for you to have, which is the page builder plugin. Page builder plugin. You see, page builder is very important. You must have a page builder. All the design you have been doing, the reason why it has not looked so fantastic is because you don't have a page builder. It is page builder that you will use to build your pages. So difference between page builder, I have already sent the test. So I will tell you the one to install and how to get it. For that page builder, this one I want to show to you. You will see it under plugin, you search it, but don't install the one you see under plugin. Download the one I will show you in the description. I'm going to leave you will see the link to that plugin in the description. Just download it from the site I will show you. Once you download it, then I will tell you how to install. And what I want to tell you on how to install is the same way you can install plugin manually. If you download a premium plugin, if you have a premium plugin that you are using on your site, there is a way you install them. You can't install them from uh, WordPress plugin. There is a way you install them. So now the page builder we are going to use as touching the class is Blizzy. Is it Blizzy? They call it Blizzy. That is the page builder we want to use. Though that is not the best number, that is not the number one page builder in the market. The number one page builder is Elementor. But because of building with phone and at the same time building with system, if you are working on a live server and you want to be able to build your site from phone and at the same time on system, you need this Bliss. Go for that Bliss. Don't use Elementor. I will not recommend Elementor. Elementor is not that good in that aspect. You'll not be able to install, you'll not be able to edit Elementor. So page builder will help you to edit and extract everything. You will see it now. So what you need to do as number one thing is to come to this site that I will show you. Come to this site here. This link that you are seeing above, I will drop the link. I will drop the link. Just come to that link. Click on that link, copy it and come here. Then you need to click on free download. Don't mind all this ad. And oftentimes there's going to be an update on some plugins here that you will need to download for your site. Well, that is if you manage to get to the advanced class anyway, that's when you can ask so many questions on all those things. And also there will be premium team sometimes. Now click on free download. Click on free download. Don't mind all these ad, don't mind them. Click on free download. Once you have downloaded the app, once you click on free download, follow the step and download the app. Now once you have downloaded the plugin will be on your phone. Then go to plugin in your WordPress, click on add new. Follow the normal procedure, but you are not going to install it like that. You know this phone, and I have changed it to desktop mode here. That's why you are seeing it like this. Now click on upload plugin, the one you are seeing at the top, upload plugin. It will show a box for you that will tell you that if you have a plugin in a zip format, you may install or update it by uploading it here. Now click on choose file. Go to where the file, the software, the plugin you download, go to where it is on your phone. My own will always be at download because I'm using Chrome. If you're also using Chrome, you will see it at download. Now search for that plugin. What is the plugin I just installed? I just download. It is Breezy. This is Breezy Pro. I have Breezy Pro, but we are using Breezy free. It is Breezy free that you want to install. Pro is paid one, so you can only get it when you pay. But this free You can see it from WordPress without following this step, but don't install that one. Install this one that I want to tell you. It has a reason. So click on it. So you can see it's load breezy 2.4.2 zip. Then click on install. Wait for it, let it installed. Once it has finished installing, then you are good to go. It is unpacking the package. So just wait for it, installing the plugin. You can see it. These are the things that it's showing: unpacking the package, installing the plugin. So wait for it to finish installing. After it has successfully installed, then you are good to go. Sometimes you may want to install plugins like that and it will give you errors. One of the things that can cause that one is that when the plugin may be zip, but sometimes they usually zips. If it is premium plugin, those theme makers usually zip other premium plugin, other details to that premium plugin. So you need to unzip and unzip and unzip before you get the right software, the right plugins inside. Now click on activate plugin. Once the plugin has been activated, you can see it here now. We have Breeze. So now that we have Breeze, what you need to do is to go to page or page. We want to design our let me design my contact page. Firstly, let's go to our contact page and see what we have. Click on the link of that contact page and open a new window so that we can see what we have at our contact page before. You can see our contact page, the way it look like. You can see now, this is our contact page. This is how it look like. Now let me come back here and do something. Whenever you want to design your page, you know, I have shown you how to do this one. I have shown you how to do it. So let me just cut this form alone. I need only this form. I need only the form. Let me cut it. Oh, this thing is giving me error. Okay, let me just remove everything. Let me remove everything. So you are not going to use that place for editing. I told you when I explained how to create pages that this place you don't need it to edit anything in your pages. If it is post, this is where you type all your posts. But if it is pages, you don't need it to edit anything in your pages. Once you create your page, you need to use page builder to build your page. Now, any page builder you are using, either you are using Breeze or you are using Elementor, you will surely see the page builder here. You will surely see it at the top here. The WordPress will tell you that, okay, edit this page with that page builder that you have installed. So click on edit with Breeze. Because you are using Breeze for this one, click on edit with Breeze. So Breeze is loading, and make sure, try as much as possible to change your screen to desktop format on your phone so that it will be easy for you. Now this is our contact page. For Breeze, this is what you are going to see. You need to navigate through every content you are seeing here. With this page builder, you'll be able to add page, you'll be able to add images, adjust and do everything to it that it will look so nice. We are going to see it now. And the reason why I recommended this Breeze is because it make it easier for you. In fact, it make your site look so professional without stressing yourself a lot, even with the free version. So what do you need to do? You need to come to this place. If you want to start creating, click on start building your page. Click on that plus. Now you can see, let us zoom this place and see what it shows to us. Let's come up. At the top here, you will see four column. Four column. You will see four column here. We have layout, we have block, we have saved, we have global block. All these four layouts, these are the things we are going to use. If you want to choose layout, layout means if you want to install complete page that you will just need to edit, you just need to edit them, that is layout. Layout is a complete page, while block is one aspect of a page. Block is aspect of a page, just a line of a page. You can see what is on that block. You only have little things. It's different from that layout. Saved, they are the one that you have saved. Then leave that global block. You don't need all those one for now. And if you want to create your own from start, you click on create your own. That is what you click on. But we are going to use layout. As a starter, it is very good to use what we call uh demo or template. It is good to use demo or template. So now let's come to this side. You will see all the categories that are there. Because we are using free version, that is why you can only have access to 20 layout. You can see it for free version, you can only have access to 20. This is it. Assuming you have the pro, you can be able to access all of the features. So go to that free, it will load all the free for you. These are the free layout that we have. Now click on the one you like, the one you know that you like. Click on it. Let me click on this one, this blue something. Don't forget the way our team look like before. Let me click on this. I love it the way it is. So don't forget the way our contact page look like. This is our contact page when we have not used page builder. Now let's go back to the page builder. So this is it. These are the things that it will show to you. These are the layout that are there. It has only 3 layouts: home page, blog, this is for blog, and this is for single post. Those are the layouts that are in that. Those are the templates that are in that layout. So the one you want to install is what you will pick and install. Are you getting it? Don't worry, I will still do a video how to design a professional website. That will be the last class for this section. The remaining three topic: how to migrate from local site to live site, and how to do some little professional adjustments. Those one, they are not for everybody. I will repeat, they are not for everybody. So after I talk about how to build a professional website from scratch with the use of template or demo, then you can decide to start practicing on your own. So the remaining are for some set of people. So now let us just use anyone because we want to use it for sample. Let me click on this one. You can see if you come here, click on this page, it will show you how it look like. Just click on the full one here. I mean this one that is loading at the top. If you want to see how that theme look like, click here. Once you click on that theme, once you click on the layout, the template of that layout you choose, then click on it here. It will show you how it look like. It will show you so that you can see how it look like. Now once you have clicked on it, come downward and click on this import. Once you have picked it, come downward and click on import this layout. Import this layout. Once you click on this import this layout, it will load the layout, and let's wait and see. It's loading the layout. Don't forget again how our contact page look like for now. Don't forget, look at our home page. Let's leave that for now. We have not talked about home page. So some teams may change your home page for your menu page. Some teams may change your menu page for you, while some will not change it. You still have to design menu page. There's a way to do that also. But this is what we are focusing on now. It's importing the old things for us. You can see it. It's importing them. Once it load, wow, this is what we import. This is the template that we import. You can see it on our site now. So it has import the template, but there is an issue here. The issue is that the menu of that theme that we install, it is for pro version. That's why he has to remove that menu. He has to remove that menu. It says upgrade to pro or upgrade to pro to use this menu element, or remove this element. Since it is for pro version, let me remove the element. We don't need that element. So we don't need that element. So this one also, let me remove all these elements. So how now let us update first before I talk about any other things. Now that we have import it, this is everything. You see everywhere that it's locked they are pro version, so you need to remove them. So let's assume that this is our contact page. We import contact page and this is how it look like. Now come down and click on update. It's loading. After it finished loading, we will go and check our site again and see what are we going to, how will it look like. We go back and check our site. It's still loading. Okay, it has load completely now. Let's come back to this site. You can see our contact page. Now drag down to refresh. Drag down to refresh. What are we going to see now? How will it look like? Will the change effect, or what will it show to us? It's loading. It's loading. Wow, you can see how our contact page is now looking. It's looking professional. It's looking so good, so unique, so fantastic, so fantastic, so fantastic, so fantastic. Every details of that plugin, of that template that we installed, that we copy, they are there. Don't worry, you can edit them, you can remove some of them if you don't want them. So assuming it is contact page that we import, let us check if you are going to see contact page. You know how I get here? This is how to get to this level. Don't be confused. If you want to get to this stage, don't be confused. Let me close it down again. If you want to get here, just come to where you see add a new block at this bottom. Add a new block here. This place, add a new block. Then click on add a new block. It will take you to block. You can change it to layout. But let us look for free block. We have 335 free block. Let's click on them and look for the one that have like contact us, contact us, contact, the one that have contact. Let's keep on checking for the one that have contact. Okay, let's use this one. I think this one have a little bit function of contact. Let me still scroll down if I can see. Okay, because of our time, just try to scroll down to the one you want to use. But let me use this one here. This one. Let me click on it, and once you have done that, you click on import. You can see this is it here now. Once you have clicked on it, then you come down and click on import. Okay, let me redo for you so that you will not think, how did I just do it now? Let me come here and delete. Okay, just click on add new block. My phone is somehow doing somehow, so click on free. Once you click on free, then scroll down to where you see, okay, let me use this one. Once you click on it, it will load. Wow, this is what I need. Now you can see that it has uploaded for me. If you want to edit it, just click on the information that are there. You can, you know how to type, just like typing and every other things. You can do everything by just clicking down on it, then highlight on it, contact us. Are you getting it? So this Breeze has done a lot of work by helping you to set up the way they felt that the information, the block you are uploading should be. They have done it. All what you just have to do is to do some editing and little things. So once you have edited it, then come down to update. So anything you do on it, on this Bliss, you just have to come down to update. That is when it will reflect on your site. If you have not updated it, it will not reflect on your site. So you need to first update it, then it will reflect on your site. So it's loading. Let's wait for it to finish loading. Now it has loaded completely. Then come to your site and refresh. So it will apply to your site. At the menu, it will apply. So you can add images, you can add videos, you can add all those things to your site. All what you just have to do is navigate through the page builder I just explained to you. navigate through it. Let's come down. You can see that we have contact us. This is what we just installed now. You can see it. So we install it using the desktop format. This is how it look like on mobile. If there is need for any adjustment, you just have to go back and do the adjustment there. So navigate through the page builder. One of the ways to understand a page builder very well is to search more for that on that about that page builder rather. How do you search more? Go to Google, type the name of that page builder. They will link you to their website. From the website of that page builder, get more information about it. Even plugins, I told you about plugins, you need to check their website. All these plugins, they are installed by third party, not someone, not WordPress. They are from third party. WordPress just make it easy for you to create site. So that is how you are going to edit and do everything you want to do on your site. Now let me do something. Let me come back here. Assuming we have complete this one. If you have finished editing everything, there are a lot of things that I will not be saying here. I've explained how to import, I've explained how to edit content, but there's a way to adjust all this screen. That's why I said you should navigate through it. How do you navigate through it? Click on the layout you install. You will see a sign here on that layout. Then click on that sign. It will show the menu of that layout for you. Then navigate through the menu. If it is the content you type, click on it. It will show the function of like how to adjust like word. Then you need to follow it. After you have done it, if you are doing your website on phone, don't touch the first one and the second one here. But if it is, I don't touch the first one. If it is on laptop or on desktop, you need to do some things. You need to check if what you created will be okay on mobile phone. How will you do that? Click on this icon that look like desktop, that look like system, change it to tablet, or you should change it to mobile. So it will change your screen to either tablet or mobile for you to see how the site will look like. But because those that are using phone to create it will not be able to understand, will not be able to do it on their phone because of because of because they are using phones to create it, so they don't need to stress themselves on all those things. Now after you have complete that, then come to this third button and click on exit. Go to dashboard so that you can go back to your dashboard. That is after you have saved or you have updated it. So that is how your site will look so professional. So let us come back here and close this down. We don't need it again. Now I'm going to talk about how to design your post